Hiya Nutters! Yesterday it was pretty hot here. With high humidity it felt even hotter. And as I didn't have some proper sleep, I was pretty much feeling downright horrible. My son said in his knowingly way, feeling hot is a mental state. And I knew he was right, but still it was not helping me at all. I was having hot flashes and my leg were swollen. The more as I tried to go with the flow, the more I felt annoyed. I couldn't lay down, couldn't sit on the couch, couldn't paint and couldn't crochet. Anyway, it wasn't the best of days. But you know what? That's okay too. It's okay to feel yucky and not being able to do anything about it. Today I woke up in a whole other state of mind and I was feeling way more energetic and a better sense of going with the flow. For me, the going with the flow is letting things happen, the good and the bad, without being too harsh on myself and therefore to others. We will have bad days and days we can't be the person we like to be, and that's okay. As long as you stay forgiving to yourself, to let yourself be in that moment. So today I went into my atelier with that thought, and I used a page that I already started before, but kind of didn't finish. All the different shapes and stripes and colors stand for all the different kinds of person I can be, and they are all okay. They are allowed to be there. Also, the paper I used to collage was a nice pattern with all the connected dots. It's very relaxing to say to yourself that you are okay no matter how you feel. I loved painting today. It all came together and it was very relaxing. It also helped me to see what I told you today. Somehow it all came together, and when I wrote The Art of Living, it all came to a full circle. Yesterday's feeling, today's painting, and all my feelings in between. I love it when that happens. That's why I am on a mission with this channel. It's not about what you create, but it's the fact you do create. Use words to empower your intentions. Use color to reflect your feelings. Use mark making to create some zen. And different brushes just for fun. It's okay to bake ugly things. It's okay to make mistakes. And it's okay to create a mess. It's all about to use daily art and creativity as a mindful practice and as a general way of deepening your skills and feelings, both art and life related. If you like what I show, please follow my channel, and you are always welcome to give me a thumbs up for algorithm's sake. Because of the key thoughts of this channel, my art can be beautiful or it can be weird, messy or even maybe ugly. I don't edit my art. I show you what I made today and I don't do things over just to show you beautiful results. I show you what I made without a filter. Hopefully to inspire you to start creating too, or to keep on creating without being harsh to yourself. I wish you a lovely day. Be nice to yourself and be kind to others. Remember, you are an amazing human and remind yourself of everything you are grateful for. I hope you will create something today. A big hug from me and bye-bye for now.